Mr. Restore is a full-service fire and water damage restoration company. So what does that mean? Basically, what that means is we can provide services regarding water damage to clean up after a man-made flood, a natural disaster flood, some kind of accident inside your home. We can come in, extract the water, begin the mitigation process, dry the structure properly, document all of it, and then begin the process of putting your property back together. We also clean up from fire and smoke damage. So we have the ability to come and clean up from a cooking fire, electrical fire, lightning strike fire. Any type of fire that you can have in your property, we can take care of everything from start to finish, including dealing with your contents to make sure that they're properly cleaned and addressed. If you look behind me, you're going to see vaults of people's contents that have been packed out from their fire. They've been cleaned, processed, inventory, and are here until the contents get returned to the property that has been fully reconstructed. We clean up from sewer damage. So if your sewer backs up and overflows, we have the opportunity to clean that up, extract it, clean it, sanitize it, dry it, make the proper repairs to your property, eliminate the products that are still going to contain any type of contaminant that we want to remove. We also have the ability to clean up from storm damage. So if there's a tornado or a hurricane or any type of event that causes damage to your structure from a storm, we can come in, assess, clean up broken glass, clean up insulation that's scattered around, reframe your home entirely, redo the drywall, the paint, everything that it takes to get you back to normal, we can do that for you. Mr. Restore is full service.